Integrating Lean and Six Sigma. After completing this topic, you should be able to determine the best approach for integrating Lean and Six Sigma to address a given business need. Match production management systems with their corresponding characteristics and match production management systems to corresponding business conditions that they are designed to address. Lean and Six Sigma are complementary production management methodologies with many important similarities. Although their focus tools and results time frames differ, they create a powerful hybrid when used in combination. The unique business conditions that your organization faces will affect the methodology and tools that you choose. When making these decisions, you need to consider time frames, financial commitments, the nature and pervasiveness of the problems that your organization is facing, and your organization's ability to adopt a culture change. When implementing Lean and Six Sigma, it's often simplest to start with short-term Lean improvement projects. These provide fast results and usually reveal deeper and more pervasive problems. Then implement Six Sigma with its robust tools and methods to address problems.